I'm Eliud Custodio. This is Turn 1 Studio, and we're going to talk about going beyond your logo. In the world of small businesses, creating a visual identity goes beyond just a logo. It's about building a brand that reflects values, resonates with the audience, and ensures long-term success. Welcome to Beyond Logos, a holistic approach to small business visual identity. In today's competitive landscape, a strong visual identity is vital for small businesses to stand out and establish a memorable brand. It's more than just a logo. It's the overall look and feel that communicates values, personalities, and unique selling points. As mentioned, defining visual identity goes beyond logos. It's about the entire aesthetic and personality of a business. From color palettes to typography, graphic elements to overall design style, it's a cohesive representation of a brand's essence, values, and mission. A holistic visual identity involves graphic elements, design style, typography, and imagery working together. Unique graphic elements add interest, while design style, typography, and imagery should align with the brand's personality and, of course, your target audience. Color is a powerful tool in visual identity. Understanding color psychology helps businesses make intentional choices. Different colors evoke different emotions, and consistency across touch points builds brand recognition and, most importantly, trust. Typography is more than choosing a nice font. It's about effective communications. Fonts convey vibes: modern, traditional, reliable. Legibility, of course, is crucial, and consistency in font use builds brand recognition. Again, consistency is key. Define your brand guidelines, apply them consistently across platforms, and ensure adaptability across devices. A consistent image builds trust, familiarity, and recognition among your customers. Successful implementation and maintenance require documenting guidelines, team education, regular review, and seeking feedback. Consistency and attention to detail are crucial for a lasting brand presence. In conclusion, a strong visual identity is the cornerstone of success for small businesses. It's the key to standing out, building trust, and leaving a lasting impression. Beyond logos, it's about creating a holistic brand that resonates. Follow these tips, put in the effort, and watch your brand thrive.